Okay, good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Friedman, your math coach, and today we are going to be looking at simplifying expressions by combining like terms. So before you start today's worksheet, please open up your guided notes. If you have a printer, you may print them out. If you don't have a printer, please copy down the two problems on your guided notes, and we will work through these together. All right, let's look at example 1. I have 3y plus 6 plus 2 plus y. So what we need to do is figure out which are the like terms. If I look here at the 3y, I see that's going to go with y. Oh, but there's no coefficient in front of this y. So whenever I don't see a coefficient, I'm always going to put a 1. Okay, so the y without a coefficient is 1y. So my 3y is going to combine with the plus 1y. I circled the 3y, and let's circle the plus 1y. Now make sure you always circle that sign that goes with the number. Now I'm going to put squares around the other terms that go together. I have a plus 6 and a plus 2. All right, so when I combine 3y and plus 1y, I get 4y. Plus 6 and plus 2 gives me plus 8. So my simplified expression is 4y plus 8. Let's now look at example 2. I have 4x minus 3 minus 6x minus 8. Okay, let's first circle my 4x. The term that 4x is going to go with, that's going to combine with minus 6x. So we're going to circle minus 6x. Very important that you circle that minus that goes with the 6x. Okay. My other terms that go together are minus 3. Let's put a square around that, including the negative. Minus 3 and minus 8. All right, so when I combine now 4x and minus 6x. Notice here I have different signs. This 4x is positive, the negative 6x is negative. When I have different signed numbers, I need to subtract. 6 minus 4 gives me 2, but note here I have more negatives than I have positives. Okay, so a 4 plus negative 6 gives me negative 2. Okay, because 6 minus 4 is 2, but the answer is going to be negative. So this gives me a negative 2x. Now let's look at the other terms, negative 3 and negative 8. These have the same signs, so we add the numbers together. 3 plus 8 gives me 11, but they're both negative, so my answer is negative 11. So my answer for number 2 is negative 2x minus 11. All right, and now we are ready to begin today's worksheet.